Hello students, hope you all are fine. In the previous class we discussed about type of reactions that the carbon compounds undergo. They include combustion reaction, addition reaction, oxidation reaction, and the fourth one that we have is substitution reaction. Substitution reaction is nothing but a reaction in which atom or a group of atoms are replaced by other atom or group of atoms. Then it is called substitution reaction. Saturated hydrocarbons are usually less reactive, because of which they are called paraffins. Para means less affinity, paraffins. But under suitable conditions, they also undergo certain reactions called substitution reactions. So here methane CH4 in the presence of chlorine and sunlight, it will form methyl chloride CH3Cl plus HCl. Now methyl chloride again in the presence of sunlight and chlorine gas, it forms methylene chloride CH2Cl2 plus HCl. Every time you have to remove a hydrogen from here, a chlorine from here. So you will get CH2Cl2. Now CH2Cl2 in the presence of sunlight and chlorine gas, it will form CHCl3 plus HCl. Now CHCl3 in the presence of sunlight and chlorine gas, it will form CCl4. The simple trick here is you have to remove from one hydrogen atom from here, one chlorine atom from here, and remaining you have to write here. So CHCl3 plus Cl2, it gives what? CCl4, that is carbon tetrachloride plus hydrochloric acid. This is about the substitution reaction. The next topic we shall discuss about two important carbon compounds. One is ethanol, other one is ethanoic acid. Formula for ethanol is C2H5OH. Next we have about ethanoic acid also. Now ethyl alcohol is prepared from ethene. It is prepared from ethene by the addition of water vapor in the presence of catalysts like P2O5 or tungsten oxide. By providing high temperature and high pressure, you get ethyl alcohol, which is CH3CH2OH. This is called ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is also called grain alcohol because it is prepared from grain. Now cooking grain plus powdered barley has glucose. When you add yeast in the presence of enzymes, it will give you ethanol plus carbon dioxide. So this is called fermentation reaction. This kind of reaction is called fermentation reaction. Because ethanol is obtained from grains, it is called grain alcohol. Next, ethanol is colorless. It has got sweet odor. The boiling point of ethanol is 78.3 degrees centigrade. Pure ethanol is also called as absolute alcohol. Pure form of it is also called as absolute alcohol. Denatured alcohol is nothing but if you mix methanol, methyl isobutyl ketone, aviation gasoline in the ethanol, you get denatured alcohol. 200 ml of it is very fatal to drink, it is very dangerous. Solution of 10% of ethanol is used as motor fuel. It is an active ingredient in all the alcoholic drinks. Now, small quantity of drinking of ethanol causes drunkenness. In the medical purpose, it is used as good solvent. It is used in tincture iodine, cough syrups as well as in tonics. This ethanol is used. Next, ethanol is similar to water. If you replace this C2H5 with H, it will become water. Now this C2H5OH, it reacts with metallic sodium to give sodium ethoxide plus it releases hydrogen gas. This is called sodium ethoxide. Just a second. Yes, it is called sodium ethoxide. Next we have ethanol at the temperature of 170 degrees in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. It will give you ethene, that is CH2 double bond CH2 plus water. Because water is removed here, this reaction is called dehydration reaction. So that is about ethanol. In the next class we shall discuss about ethanoic acid, which is also called as acetic acid. So that's all about today's class, children. We'll continue in the next class.